Hi, this is SM United right now in Gran Canaria, and I'm one of the 10 Bosch Nordic explorers, and I will bring you to a awesome adventure in northern parts of Sweden, and we're gonna have so much fun. This is the first video. Enjoy, bye!